There's something about the water that speaks to a man, not in words, but in silence. It doesn't ask anything of you, it doesn't rush you, it just waits. And in that waiting, you find something you didn't even know you were looking for. Because the truth is, sometimes a man doesn't need more advice, he just needs space. He needs the kind of peace that only comes when the phone is off, when no one's asking for anything, and all you hear is the wind, the water, the birds, the sound of your own breathing. A man carries weight, most of it silently. He shows up, pays the bills, takes the hits, and he keeps on going. Sometimes he doesn't even know what he's chasing anymore. But out here, the rod in hand, water beneath you, all that noise quiets. And that's when it starts to come back to you. You remember what matters when you're out here. Not the likes or the comments, not the deals, the deadlines, not the bills, but the moments. Laughing with your kid, the sound of your father's voice, your grandfather's voice, the first fish you ever caught, that feeling of being proud of yourself, not because someone clapped for you, but because you knew you did the right thing, even when no one else saw it. Fishing's not about fish. It's about stillness. It's about respect for the water, for life, for your own thoughts. It's where lessons rise to the surface. But you learn patience. You learn that sometimes you wait and wait and wait. Nothing happens. And other times, life hits hard without a warning, just like a bite. But either way, you show up. Because that's what men do. We show up. If life's been loud lately, maybe it's time to go to a quiet place. You've been chasing, you've been pushing and grinding. Maybe it's time to let go of all that noise and go back by the water. Because out here, a man doesn't need to prove anything. He just gets to be a son, a father, a husband, a dad, a brother, a man, remembering who he is. So, next time the world tells you, hustle harder, keep pushing, go fishing instead. Not to run away, but to return. Return to the version of you that can breathe again, that's alive again. Think out here by the water you'll find all the answers you've been looking for. are not somewhere else. They're actually inside of you. Keep fishing, my friends.